Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, this video is partly related to my necrological videos that I've been posted for almost 1 year, and it will be 1 year and onwards in the future. So it will take gradually approach. Okay. By the way, to all viewers across the globe, I would like to inform ahead, even if this is only still March 10th, because I will make an effectivity to the management of YouTube. I will inform verbally to all management, to the owners and staff of YouTube, effective March 15, 2025 or 2025. I would like to inform to all YouTube staffs and members by March 15, 2025 onwards, all my necrological videos will be paid promotion. All my necrological videos will be paid promotion. A lot of you will be asking me why, what's the reason? Okay, here's my answer. Not because my videos reach overall 300 videos. No, that's not the reason. The main reason is this one. Simple. This is a simple answer. Because when I observe other countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and all continents across the globe, uh, I did not expect that I will reach more than almost 15,000 viewers. So when it comes to my mind, I said, but if I make this necrological, all my necrological videos will be paid promotion. Because what the advantages here, if it is paid promotion, this is talk about globally. So meaning not only one country. We are talking about all over the world. So 7 continents across the globe. So I decided by my own, as the owner of this video account, wholeheartedly, I have decided. I know this is not an easy task, but to finalize this decision, that all my necrological videos effective March 15, 2025 will be paid promotion. That is my final decision by March 15, 2025 onwards. So meaning, if it is already March 16 until I get old. So that's it. March 15. But March 15 below, not yet. But March 15 onwards, then that's the time. It will be paid promotion of all my necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.